Mr. Salman Khan is going to be here very soon, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready. Yeah, let's keep the cameras ready. Anytime now. Here we go. Mr. Salman Khan, ladies and gentlemen, yes, the wait is over. And with the cheers, please welcome Mr. Salman Khan. I'd like to hear a round of applause for a man. I think it's time to get the enthusiasm going, so I'm going to do this one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the face of the Indian Supercross Racing League, Bollywood megastar, youth icon, and the man who now flirts with dirt. I want to hear it once for Mr. Salman Khan. Right, let's start the evening now. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's evening now, right? Good evening, everyone. Distinguished members of the media, respected partners, esteemed guests, and friends joining us over here at Taj Lands End here in Mumbai. My name is RJ Sammy, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this landmark moment. Not just for motorsport, not just for entertainment, but for India's growing sports and business ecosystem. Today, we are here to witness a powerful new chapter in the journey of Indian Supercross Racing League, a league that is blending adrenaline, technology, brand innovation, and global entertainment like never before. What started as a bold dream by racing champions has now evolved into India's largest platform for the auto ecosystem, attracting OEMs, global brands, sponsors, and now one of India's biggest superstars, who shares a deep personal passion for the sport. And yes, in just a few moments, we will reveal why today's announcement is not only one of the biggest collaboration of the year, but also one that signals the future of motorsports and brand engagement in India. So buckle up, because we are about to begin. I'd like to start by calling up on stage Mr. Veer Patel, a two-time Indian National Supercross champion and the only privateer ever in history of Supercross to win national titles, and now leading ISRL as a visionary entrepreneur and business leader. Veer has transformed his passion the automotive marketing platform. Under his leadership, the league is expanding into a business engine for the entire auto ecosystem, from OEMs to youth talent and global collaborations. Please put your hands together for Veer Patel, ladies and gentlemen. Joining him today on stage, Mr. Ishan Lokhande, the first Indian to race on an international motocross team with over 16 years of deep experience in competitive motorsports and technical direction. Ishan plays a pivotal role in shaping the league's sports architecture and safety regulations. Known for his relentless passion, he is also the industry's go-to name for OEMs and Rider Connect, living and breathing the sport every single day. The two pillars, ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it once for them? Put your hands together. Right, now Ishan, I would love for you to say a few words to us. The stage is all yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, franchisee owners, our star riders, Salman Bhai, members of the press and media, a very good evening to all of you. I once again thank you all for being here today with us. This today is a very special day, not just for ISRL, but for the entire nation and the Indian motorsports fraternity. When we started ISRL back in the day, we had a very clear vision, a vision that to create a platform for supercross racing like India had never seen before. A platform which connects motorsports, entertainment, youth, brands, and the automotive ecosystem under one impactful racing league format, and that's the ISRL for all of you guys. We all know that India is the largest two-wheeler market in the world. But as a racer, as a league co-founder, we always felt there was a gap between commuter vehicles and performance racing. ISRL does bridge that gap by bringing together youth, riders, media, families, digital content creators, not just from India, but across the world. And that just establishes ISRL as one of the most favorite destinations for Supercross globally. As we get into the season 2, which is to be kicked off in October this year, we will see larger stadiums, newer cities, and an enhanced fan experience with the Rise Moto fan parks throughout the entire season. Yes, season 2 is coming in hot, but before we go on to season 2, let's look at what season 1 had in stock for everybody.
It's a beginning of a new era.
So what you all saw here is a controlled atmosphere racing, and you cannot do this if not for the Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India. I would love to welcome our president and all the council members, because without the federation sanctions, the league or the events do not have legitimacy. And that's my message to everybody, and you guys should spread it across as well. Race licensed events and be safe, and Supercross is a lot of fun.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for these two gentlemen who are making history today and making this sport ever popular in our country. Now, we just saw a video which spoke about season 1, and for all our friends over here from the media, a few pointers that I think you would love to know about. Now, let me summarize these for you. Season 1 of ISRL was all about what it was all about. A league co-founded by Veer Patel and Ishan Lokhande, two individuals who turned their lifelong racing passion into India's first ever franchisee-based Supercross platform. Season 1 marked a historic debut across Ahmedabad, Pune, and Bengaluru, delivering world-class racing, packed stadiums, national and global attention, and an electrifying fan experience. In just 3 days, which is just 9 hours of live broadcast, ISRL achieved an incredible 11.4 million views across TV, OTT, and digital platforms. ISRL Season 1 proved that it is the only entertainment and sporting property in India to consistently fill large stadiums after cricket. Every venue across all 3 host cities were packed with enthusiastic fans, creating an electric atmosphere never before seen in Indian motorsport. The league attracted top racers from across the globe, from 20 different countries, including multiple world champions, making ISRL's debut season one of international racing standards. In a historic move, the league executed the first ever motorsport athlete rider auction, setting a global precedent in the world of motorsport. And of course, we have to talk about the winners. After a fiercely competitive season, Big Rock Motorsport from Bengaluru emerged as the inaugural champions of ISRL Season 1. The team is over here. Put your hands together, please. Now, thank you to all the members of the media and, of course, the ever-growing Supercross family who believed in this vision. Ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to please put your hands together for the 2 pillars and the entire team who made Season 1 such a huge success, along with all the teams who are present over here. And now, let me start it like this. He joined us first as an official brand ambassador, right? But today, he's going one step forward. I'm not saying anything after that. Now, we're proud to introduce a man who needs no introduction. Some call him a star. We call him a game changer. The man who's never just followed the path, but carved his own. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride, we invite the man who brings unmatched passion and energy to ISRL, Mr. Salman Khan, to join us up here on stage. Put your hands together, everybody. Right, sir. Thank you so much for being here.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah. The thing is that, sir, everybody wants to hear from you. How does it feel to be over here, sir, today? Whoa! Put your hands together. That's what we're talking about.
ये दबंग फोर के लिए था. So I think this is amazing. Nana, I've known Ishan and Veer. In fact, Veer was named Veer after Veer, the film. Father Raju called me up and he said कि यार पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी लगी. वैसे सिर्फ आप ही को अच्छी लगी, इसलिए वो मैं अपने बेटे का नाम वीर रखना चाहता हूँ. Just kidding. जब तक वी रिलीज हुई ये ऑलरेडी बाहर थे और मोटरसाइकिल पर थे. So I've known these guys for the longest time. So I remember I was doing a film called Race, और उसमें एक मोटरसाइकिल का सीक्वेंस था. So I got in touch with them. Remember that? And they came to teach me how to write. I mean, I knew how to write, so they were writing with me at the farm, and they also came to Thailand where we shot it. And ये थाईलैंड में मोटरसाइकिल से नहीं गिरे, लेकिन रात को एक दो बार ये गिर गया. Yeah, so I've always been a rider, and hi baby, hi. I've always been a rider. Always liked going some cycle se leke motorcycle tak, and I really enjoy that. I can't do this often right now, but I still do ride at the farm. These guys have helped me make a track, so I ride on the track. अभी वो jumps वम्स नहीं करता मैं, because shooting पे भी जाना पड़ता है कि थोड़ा सा गिरा गया तो 3-4 महीने not be able to shoot. Yeah, पूरे सेफ्टी गियर वगैरह से. See, I live in Bandra, and ये जो हाईवे जो है हमारा, ये जो हम लोग फिल्म सिटी थाना जिसमें जाते हैं, so there's this group of guys, lots of them, they ride bikes there, and for a little bit of money. And I myself have carried some 3-4 kids to the hospital, and इस हाईवे पर बहुत सारी deaths हुई because of racing. They race on the roads and between cars. So I just think that if you need to race, we have this now. Come aboard and practice with us and race with us for a larger sum of money and with proper gear. I think that racing on the road is not only safe for you but for other people as well. So अब ऐसी कोई टीम थी ही नहीं, ऐसा कोई क्लब था ही नहीं. अभी आ गया है ये Indian Supercross Racing League. So a lot of people can now join us and start racing professionally. Correct? That. और क्या बोलूँ मैं? क्या? हाँ? और क्या बोलूँ बस ना. मेरा बाइक एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत हैं मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस. और एक आध दो बार गिरा भी हूँ. अरे मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. So I thought my father was upset with me one day and he went to the farm. This is about time पहले की बात है. और मेरे पास उस वक्त एक हायाबुसा हुआ करती थी. So I said, चलो, I have to go to the farm and apologize to him. So I rode there. Now while I was riding, I was not wearing a helmet, and my cap was ulta, and my cap flew. And I said, Bapre, this is not the way to ride at all. And then I rode very slowly at 35-40 kilometers an hour, and I reached the farm. I took a left turn and the bike skidded, and we went into the jungle. I tried to pick up the bike. I couldn't pick up the bike. Then my car came behind me. We all picked up the bike, got the bike on the road again, started riding again. took a right turn and the bike skidded again. There's a lot of gravel there. Anyway, यहाँ से पूरा छिल गया था, pink हो गया था. So I went ahead. Went to see my father. He said, "Daddy, तुम इधर क्या कर रहे हो?" I said, "No, I just thought that you were upset with me." He said, "नहीं, मैं तो farm पे आ रहा था." तो he said, "अच्छा, तुम आ गए यहाँ पे?" He said, "क्या हुआ?" I said, "कुछ नहीं, वो बहुत सारा gravel था और skid हो गया मैं." तो he said, "कितनी बार?" इस तरह भी, इस तरह भी. He said, 2 बार. He said, "तुमको बाइक पे चलाने आती नहीं है, तो तुम काय को चलाते हो यार?" तो he said, "लाओ, मेरी बाइक निकालो." So we got his Triumph 100, Tiger 100, and then he rode it, and then I took another bike, and me and my father went for a long ride in the night at the farm. So that was a really good experience that I had. वो heal होने में कुछ काफी time लगा. Thank God no bones were broken, but it was a good experience.
A memorable experience, sir.
And I remember one more experience is that when I learned how to ride a cycle. So my father got me a cycle for 25 paisa for an hour. Ka bhada. I must have been 4 or 5. So he was holding me. He was holding the seat, and he took me ahead. And I thought he was still holding me. And so we used to live in Old Kanpuri at that point of time. So there was a small patch. So I went ahead, I took a turn, I came back, and I saw him standing in front of me. I realized that, oh shit, he's not holding me. And I came right next to him and I fell. Because I thought that he was holding me, so that support was there. You know, that confidence of my father holding me was there. And I fell, and my father looked at me and said, "Dekho, चलाते रहो, उठो और चलाओ." तो एक पिलर का हाथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके पीछे. वही आपको confidence देता है. Like what my father did for me.
Right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Salman Khan, of course, man with the stories. It is now time that I would want to request Veer and Ishan to present Salman Bhai with the ISRL official number plate, and I would request Bhai to please sign the number plate as well.
Forever 27.
The signed number plate, ladies and gentlemen. This is the ISRL official number plate, and it is now time to reveal the jersey that represents it all. Presenting the official ISRL jersey to Mr. Salman Khan. Let the flashbulbs crack as we unveil the official ISRL jersey. And I request everyone present to please put your hands together as we see the official ISRL jersey for the very first time.